Hi everyone, welcome. In this video in front of me is JBL Partybox on-the-go Essential, and today I'm gonna show you how to pair it with your Android phone. Let's get started. Firstly, you have to power up your device with this button over there, like that. Now you just have to wait. Now we have to click this Bluetooth button over there. Scroll down, hold our finger on Bluetooth, click Details, scroll down and wait a moment. In available devices we will see JBL Partybox OTG EESS. We have to click on it. Now we have to click Pair. And now we are paired. That's it for today. Like and subscribe for more videos and hope it helps. Goodbye.